as they were playing the beat.
Small Laude, nagdadalamhati at nalulungkot sa pagpanaw ng kanyang mahal na daddy. Dade, kung tawagin ito ni Small Laude, kung saan ay very close siya at palagi niya itong hinahalikan. Ngayon nga ay hindi siya makapaniwala na iniwanan na sila ng kanyang daddy. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Sa pagpanaw nga ng daddy ni Tita Small Laude, hindi siya makapaniwala. Oh my God, I can't believe you're gone. I'm so heartbroken. Rest well, daddy. Kasama niya rito ang kanyang ate. Nagbigay na nga ng ilang detalye ang pamilya ni Tita Small Laude patungkol sa kanyang daddy. In loving memory of Andres Antonino Eduardo, November 30, 1934 born, and January 31, 2025 died. Wake, family, January 31, 2025 Friday. At ang family and friends naman, ang viewing ay February 1 to February 4, 2025, Saturday hanggang Tuesday. Time of viewing, 2 p.m. hanggang 10 p.m. Daily Mass, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Funeral Mass, February 5, 2025, Wednesday, 9 a.m. Sanctuario de San Antonio Parish, Forbes Park. Interment to follow at the Heritage Memorial Park, Taguig. Nakakalungkot, agad nga ibinalita ng pamilya ni Tita Small ang nangyari sa kanyang daddy. Today, heaven gained an angel. To the funniest, the most anticipated cameos in the vlogs. And the playful Lolo we all called Daddy. His presence, humor, and unforgettable side comments will be deeply missed. To the Eduardo family, especially Lola, Daddy's children, and grandkids, our hearts are with you. Lolo Andres lived a life filled with love, and that love will forever be carried in the hearts of all who knew him. May you find comfort in the beautiful moments he treasured with each of you. Rest easy, Daddy, until we meet again. Marami nga ang nagpahatid ng pakikiramay at simpatsya sa buong family Laude, lalong-lalo na kay Miss Small Laude na kilala bilang isang vlogger. Mahal din nila ang kanilang daddy at laging nakakasama sa vlog ni Tita Small, kaya naman kilalang-kilala ng mga netizens si Daddy Andres. Sabi nga dito ng ilang nakikiramay at nagkomento sila, "My condolences, prayers of comfort and strength for the Eduardo family. My heartfelt condolences, Small, and to the whole family. May the soul of your dad rest in paradise in heaven." Sobrang mamimiss nga ni Small Laude ang mga pagyakap at paghalik niya sa kanyang daddy tuwing umaalis siya o may flight siya abroad. Ngayon nga ay hindi na niya makakasama physically ang kanyang daddy, pero forever in their hearts.
So many fans and followers. Can you say hi, vlog? Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Condolences and prayers, Eduardo family, from Rosemary de Belen Lunar. May the soul of Andres, through the mercy of God, rest in peace. Amen. Mula naman kay Malu Uy, my deepest sympathy, Laude family. May your dad rest in peace. You're home now, Lolo Daddy, resting in his loving embrace, where there is no more pain, only peace. Your warmth, kindness, and humor made the world a brighter place, and your love for your family was felt in every moment. Nito nga lang nakaraan ay naipag-celebrate pa nila ang kanilang Daddy Andres ng birthday nito kasama ang buong pamilya. Lahat nga ay nakapula at napakasaya sa mismong birthday ng kanilang Daddy Andres. Talagang binibigyan nila ng importansya si Lolo Daddy dahil talaga nagpapasaya ito sa kanila.
To see
Your presence in Tita Small vlogs always made us smile, and we will miss seeing you there. But we know your love and guidance will continue to shine on your family, just as you always have. To Tita Small and the entire family, our hearts and thoughts are with you. May you find strength in the love that surrounds you and comfort in the beautiful memories that will live on forever. Rest well, Lolo Daddy. You are deeply loved and you will never be forgotten. Bukod nga kay Tita Small Laude, hindi lamang siya ang nagmamahal sa kanyang daddy, kundi maski ang kanyang ate na palagi ring nakadikit sa kanilang daddy. Mahal na mahal talaga nila ang daddy at tuwing umaalis sila ay palagi nilang niyayakap ito at hinahalik-halikan. Talagang iba ang kasama ang kanilang daddy dahil masaya ang buong pamilya at si daddy nga ang parang naging bundle of joy nila.
Hindi ko kilala yan eh.
Ay my God, the most beautiful daughter na.
Tama na picture.
Ayaw magpakuha ng video.
Itawag.
Bakit ba ayaw pa nilagay? Ay, iihaw pa pala. Ay, naku, mag-iihaw pa pala.
Mahal na mahal nga ni Tita Small ang kanyang daddy Andres at madalas nga niya itong ginagala at gumagala din sa kanila ang kanyang lolo daddy. Nakakatuwa nga si daddy dahil palagi kasama sa kanyang vlog at nagiging minsan parang ulianin pero nakakatuwa siya. Talagang asikasong-asikaso ito ni Tita Small dahil siya nga ay mahal na mahal ng kanyang daddy.